Hey there, creative minds, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all you Adobe Stock contributors out there. If you've been tirelessly sharing your amazing work and wondering if there's a special treat waiting for you, well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to redeem your Creative Cloud app. Yep, that's right. If you've been contributing to Adobe Stock and have had between 200 and 6,199 downloads of your standard collection assets in 2024, Adobe's got a little something special for you. A complimentary year of access to one of their fantastic Creative Cloud plans. So, a few days ago, I received this notification saying I'm eligible for this awesome offer. And guess what? I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it. First things first, log in to your contributor portal. Keep an eye out for that eye-catching blue banner on your dashboard. That's your ticket to claiming your free Creative Cloud app. Click on that link, and it'll take you to your personal URL where you can select your plan. Now here's the important part. Once you hit that blue select button, there's no turning back. So make sure you've chosen the plan that's right for you. Remember, you won't get another chance to access that personal URL. So choose wisely. Once you've made your selection, it's time to redeem your code. You can either do this immediately or save the URL or code for later use. Head over to https://redeem.adobe.com and enter your code or paste your saved URL. Easy peasy, right? Click on Redeem Code and you're one step closer to unlocking all the creative possibilities with your new Creative Cloud app. Now here's a little tip. If you want to skip the credit card entry page for automatic renewal payments, just hit Remind Me Later. And don't worry, if you already have an active Creative Cloud plan like Creative Cloud Photography 20GB, and you redeem the exact same plan with the same Adobe ID, your billing will be paused for 12 months if you have a plan that's billed monthly. If you paid for the full year in advance, the 12-month term of your bonus plan will stack on top of your existing plan. If you already have an active Creative Cloud plan and redeem a different Creative Cloud plan with the same Adobe ID, the plans will run in parallel. It may make sense to wait until your paid membership is up for renewal before you redeem your bonus plan. For example, if you have a paid subscription for the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, it doesn't make sense to redeem the photography plan or a single app plan before your paid All Apps membership has ended. So there you have it, folks. That's how you redeem your complimentary Creative Cloud app as an Adobe Stock contributor. Don't let this amazing opportunity slip away. Get started on unleashing your creativity today. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, stay creative.